In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial, which is going to be beginner friendly. So definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Something really important, guys, it doesn't matter if you're promoting products from Amazon or you're promoting products for ClickBank, JVZoo, Wire Plus. At the end of the day, it's going to be the same thing. Okay. So I'm going to be doing an example here, but at the end of the day, it's going to be the same. Okay. So if you have your affiliate account with Amazon, if you have your affiliate account with ClickBank, JVZoo, Wire Plus, Commission Junction, etc., etc., etc. Okay, this video is actually for you. Let me share with you here my screen really fast because I want to make sure that we're gonna be on the same page. Something really important is that you guys need to understand that Pinterest is a search engine. Okay, it's the third largest search engine. The biggest one right now it's Google, then it's followed by YouTube, and then it's Pinterest. So a lot of people are looking for information here. So we have a huge opportunity, but not everybody is taking, the opportunity that Pinterest offer us because they don't understand. Okay. So they don't understand. There are, several key things that you need to understand. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. Okay. So first, we will need to make sure that we are going to be choosing a niche that is actually trending. Okay. Um, and that's also really important. I know that when you create your Pinterest account, you can have different boards, but please focus on just one thing. Okay. And for that, we are going to go to trends.pinterest.com. Okay. Here on trends.pinterest.com, you can notice that I don't have any keywords. My region is the US. You can choose another region if you want. Okay. And this is actually based on the last 30 days. Okay. If I scroll down, you are going to notice that I'm searching for growing trends. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for growing trends. Right now, the best one to put it in a way, it's the recipes ideas. Okay. Recipes ideas. As you can see, yearly change over 10,000%, which is not common, okay? Especially because it's actually growing. Because if you notice, for example, Happy New Year 2025, yeah, it's actually the same, but it went down. The same with 2025. This one is going all the way up. So for some reason right now, there is a lot of people who are actively looking for this. We can scroll down and we can see other trends as well. For example, the Valentine's nails, but I don't want to go with this one because it's not evergreen. Okay. That means that once people finish it, okay, you know, it's gonna die. Okay. The same like general nail ideas. Yeah, it's gonna be working perfectly on January, and after that, it's gonna die. For example, we have this one, the tramp stamp lower backs. Okay, this is also another great niche. And that's the reason why I'm scrolling down because you can see here the monthly change over 10,000 plus, yearly over 7,000%. Okay. So that doesn't mean like if it's not at the top, it doesn't actually gonna work. Okay. So um I want you guys to understand this. Also, you can do a quick search here. For example, you can go and you can type woodworking, which is a great niche that works on Pinterest. It's an evergreen niche, and I can tell you that because I was promoting a product, and to be honest, it's a ClickBank product on Pinterest, and it works really, really, really great, here. So I'm going to go with recipes ideas. Okay, this is the one that I'm going to be doing. You can click on it and you can see different ideas. Okay, and more information about it. Okay, this is actually how it went pretty crazy on the past year. Okay, you can see, for example, we have Yummy Easy Snacks is actually a sub niche that is growing. Cooking, it's okay. Cooking receipts, it's another great thing. Okay, here we have more information. Of course, female are the ones who are actually looking for more about it. You can see the popular pins, so you can see, um, how difficult, to put it in a way, it is to develop these niche. As you can see, these are simple things that you can create. Okay, these are really simple things that you can create, and you can actually click on the image and take a better look. Also, we can spice different accounts. This is actually, um, the different accounts here. Okay, and some information. Okay, you can see some information here. For example, on the past 5 months, over 100,000 people have put this on favorite. Okay, so this is actually really, really amazing. It's really simple. I'm gonna click so you can actually take a look. This is actually how the pins look like. Okay, here, if I click more, it's a really small description. Okay, here they have the ingredients. Okay, because it's a receipt, and you can actually ask ChatGPT to do this, or you can model the receipts that you have here, and you can rewrite them. Okay, but there are certain things that I want you to notice. Number one, if you click on a pin, you're gonna notice that I can visit the site. Okay, this is actually my link. Okay, you can click here, and also you can click here. Okay, so that means if someone is interested of what you are promoting, they're going to go directly to the link. Okay. They're going to go directly to the link. I don't like direct linking. I have to be honest with you. What do I mean by direct linking? It's the famous hit and miss strategy. Okay. That says that we have someone here that visit, this is going to be your pin. Okay, let's say that this is actually your pin. Okay, here you have the title, the bottom, then they're going to click and they're going to go to the affiliate page right away. I don't like this because there is no way we can make back-end sales. Okay, and sometimes people, they're interested, but they're not ready to make the purchase. So what I prefer to do is this. I prefer, okay, again, this is going to be my pin. Okay, the title, the description, and everything. I prefer to send them to what I call a capture page. It's really easy, really simple, in which you're going to be asking them for their name and email, and then you are going to give them, the information of the product page. You're going to give them something for free. How you can actually create this? Okay, there is a system that is called, there's a tool that is called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below. So you can open your account for free. And one cool thing about this is that you can send them some information about this, but also you can promote other products as well. Okay. So if they don't make the purchase right away, you're going to have the opportunity to be doing a follow-up. Remember that at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is a business model. So you need to treat this as a business. Okay. So this is the very first place in which you can actually have the links. Remember, you have two places here. This is on the pin per se, here and here. Okay. If we go to the actual Pinterest account, you can create your own Pinterest account. I suggest you to go with the business version. Um, it's actually free for you. You're going to notice that this one, it's super simple. Okay. But there is a thing that I want to highlight right now. It has over 6,000 followers, which is pretty small. And right now, they have over 10 million monthly views, which is insane. And you hear right, 10 million monthly views. Okay. People who are actually looking for this. Okay. And check this. Here we have the link again. Okay. So this is the third place in which you can actually put your link. This account, it's super clean. They don't even have a cover image. As you can notice, they just have the logo here, which is the image of the creator. Yeah, I have mine as well here. I have my picture, a brief description, and that's it. Super simple. How you can create this? You can create, well, first you can upload your image if you want, or if you don't want to, to show your face because you want to create a faceless account, that's okay. Okay. You can go, for example, to Canva, canva.com. And here on Canva, you can create a Pinterest banner, which is a banner that you can have on the back end. Also, you can create a logo if you want. Okay, you can create a logo. You can put here a logo. Here I have, for example, logo foot. Okay, and you can actually edit the picture. Okay, you can actually edit the picture, customize it, and boom, you're gonna have your logo in no time. And you're going to be adding it here. Okay. What else do we need? We need this really short description. Okay. It's actually just this. Okay. We actually just need this description, and you're going to be wondering like, okay, how do I actually do that? Or how do I actually come with a name? Okay. With a name. Okay. You can go to ChatGPT. And here in ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT, help me writing a Pinterest bio for my account that is about recipes. Okay. Here is a consider engagement Pinterest bio, blah, blah, blah. Deliciously easy recipes for every occasion. It put me in emoji. You're going to notice that this one has emojis as well. The reason why it's adding it that because I told them, I told ChatGPT that, hey, this is going to be for Pinterest. Okay, quick meals, healthy snacks, blah, blah, blah. Let's cook up some magic. Fantastic. So that's going to be my description. Okay, that's going to be my description. Remember that you can use other pins as inspiration, and you can customize this on Canva as well. If you go to Canva and you use the Pinterest pin as a search term, okay, also you have the opportunity to browse here on the left side, okay, you're going to have some images, okay, that you can customize. These already have the size, so you don't have to worry about this. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. It's already have the size. The only thing that we need to do right now is customize it based on what we see. And here, for example, I have this one that is already here on Canva. Okay, 9 easily and delicious full soup receipt. I can bundle the receipt, or I can do as what people are doing right now. Okay, for example, we have here this creamy Cahoon chicken pasta, poor man's husband. Here, wow, okay. Okay, here we have this chicken skilled with vegetables. You can go that one. Crispy cauliflower. You can go that one, or you can do bundles. Also, if you want, this is something a little bit more advanced, is that you can do a little customization here. Here, as you can notice, we have more paints that you can customize. Okay. And something really important, guys, right now, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can actually make money online, check the very first link in the description with my #1 recommendation. Okay. So remember that I'm using this just as an example. First, I went to Google Trends, and without typing any word, it's giving me what is trending right now. This is actually changing consistently. Okay. So maybe if you are looking or watching this video in the future, maybe this is not going to be trending. Okay. But I want you guys to take that into consideration. Also, you can go to the route and you can actually do a quick search here. As I mentioned before, like for example, woodworking. It's a great niche that actually works amazing on Pinterest. Okay. But you need to be consistent with the implementation of the strategy. Again, you need to have your system in place. Okay, this is actually how people actually really make money. And you need to understand that there is a huge opportunity here on Pinterest. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.